So as a PT and a strength coach, I love squats. But as you know, not everyone is either ready or can execute a nice, proper, safe squat. And the leg press is a nice variation to be able to build real serious quad and glute strength as well for some of our clients. The Stealth LP is a lot of variations of which you can load the leg press. Obviously, you got the plate horn on front, and you can really stack this baby up, or if you have the barbell on the side, you can add some loading variation as well. I'm gonna quickly show you how to execute a leg press here. Again, with the number of adjustments that you can make with where the plates are loaded and where the seat is, you can really form this individualized to your client's needs, depending on hip restrictions, knee, ankle restrictions, whatever you need, depending on how far away the sled is from the rig or how far the seat is away. To execute a leg press, find your client's ideal foot position width, press the weight away, remove both the safety pins, anchor yourself securely to the bench, and go through a full range of motion leg press. With your clients, be sure that their pelvis doesn't nutate or flex up and off the seat as they're at the bottom range of the leg press, because they're gone too far. They're either reached their limits of hip range of motion or they have a motor control deficiency that we need to address. Make sure that that pelvis stays nice and stable on the bench and that they're anchored in place throughout the entirety of the motion. A couple things that I really like as a physio, working with the leg press like this as the Stealth LP, is that a lot of the tension is really reached at this end range extension, where we can really start to address some of the quad deficiencies in some of our clients and some of our patients. I have to use a lot of effort to really get that full extension, that full knee extension lockout, and then again at the bottom, there's some let up because it is a pendulum that I feel safe and secure in the bottom ranges of this range of motion. If I have a client who can execute a proper leg press and has no restrictions, I can add that band tension as we showed before to really isolate or really keep constant tension on the quads throughout the entirety of the motion. Also, what I like about the Stealth LP is that the plate is a nice width. So depending on my client or my patient's femur or leg lengths, that I can really set them up properly to execute a wide leg press variation or a narrow leg press variation. You can go higher up on the plate if you want to isolate a little bit more posterior chain at the end ranges of the press, or you can come down for a nice narrow, low foot position to really isolate more of the quads. Again,